Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Legacy GT, the touring wagon. It comes with 55,539 miles. It is powered by the reliable four-cylinder EJ20 twin turbo engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy is four-wheel drive. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle.
I couldn't find anything called interior set up and find my Subaru.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do go away. All right. As y'all can see, the number down here, 89,382. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 55,539. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to say thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.